Hi everybody, it's Elizabeth from Country Sampler. Our autumn issue had tons of great fall decorating ideas, including a really neat dried goods wreath project that we had at the end. I'm sure some of you were brave enough to take on that project, which involved wiring on the stems and berries, but I am not that brave. So I'm going to try to recreate the look with my hot glue gun. For this project, you'll need a variety of dried flower stems, grasses, leaves, and berries in fall colors, as well as a grapevine wreath, floral wire and shears, and a hot glue gun and glue. Trim the stems so that each element measures about 6 inches long. To create a wire hanger for the back of your wreath, cut a length of wire about 8 inches long. Fold it in half and twist the end. Set the wreath face down on your work surface. Wrap the bottom of the wire hanger around a branch and twist it around itself to secure it. Widen the loop at the top. Plug in your glue gun to get it heated up. However, before you start gluing anything onto your wreath, plan out how you want your wreath to look. Alternate between colors and textures, playing with the layout until you're happy with it. Then, move all the elements carefully out of the way so they're close at hand, but you have room for your wreath. Set your wreath down face up. Tuck the stem of your first item beneath a branch and secure it with a dab of glue. Let it cool for a little bit, then trim the stem if you need to. Position the next element so that it covers the bottom of the previous stem and glue it on. Again, trim as needed. Position the next element so that it covers the bottom of the previous stem and glue it on. Again, trim as needed. When you've made it all the way around the wreath, check for gaps and fill in as needed. That's it! You're ready to welcome fall with your beautiful new wreath.